Welcome to Live Edge Design. Come on in. In our office spaces, we have a whole range of designs that we use every single day. And so this gives a pretty good indication when you come in of what you can see and maybe can apply for your own space. In here, you'll see a lot of maple. That's one of our customary woods because we salvage it locally, usually within about 10 kilometers away from us. We also work with walnut, and we do case good pieces, any built-ins like countertops. Again, it can be done out of maple or walnut. Chairs, and of course tables. Tables range in everything. We're completely custom. So you can get the size you want, the base you want, the wood, whether it's joined or has a river running through it. Really, the sky's the limit. You send us pictures or you ask us for pictures and we can help you create what you want. So now come on back through here. This is where we work our magic. This is our shipping bay. There's lots of activity going on because we ship all across North America. Before we ship, we always put everything together. Nuts, bolts, the power ports are installed. We're very proud of our finish here at Live Edge. We guarantee that you'll want to sustain the long dinner conversations because of just sitting there at the table, touching the finish. You thought it was over, but as we stretch into it, it's like Alice in Wonderland, and it just keeps getting bigger. This is where some of the finer work gets done. Stefan is working on a high pool table with clear resin fill. So this is our bay that houses most of our drywood inventory. Our pieces start with trees. And when we salvage or purchase trees, we bring them here. We store them until we're ready to mill. And then we mill them and dry them. We inventory the wood when we get it by giving it a name. It's a really fun name, like LED 1314. Air drying it this way, it's more efficient, it's good for the wood, and it also keeps track, so when it's going in the kiln and we take the photos, we can see which pieces came from the same tree, and it means that we can match them for color and character and grain consistency and make you the best piece possible. So thanks for stopping in. Take care, stay safe, and we'll be here, whether virtually or in person, for you when you're ready.